Welcome back to our retaining wall project in Duxbury, Massachusetts. We're here to explore step 3 in the 6-step process of building retaining walls, which is base installation. Now, we've got our work area excavated and compacted, and we're ready to add the base material. The base of any hardscape project is the most crucial aspect of the construction process. Without a properly constructed base, the possibility of wall failure and damage could occur. Now, there are a few things that can improve the strength and performance of your base. Now, one option is a filter fabric that can encapsulate the stone base and backfill zone, preventing migration of organic soils, but still allowing for drainage. This should be installed now with enough material to go up the back of the entire wall and cover the backfill zone at the top. This will prevent migration of soils into the backfill zone so clogging does not occur. Another option to provide strength is Unilock's DriveGrid, which will increase the load-bearing capacity of the base and prevent minor settlement over time. Now, once these options are explored and you determine which one is suitable for your project, it's time for the base stone to be installed. A 3/4 inch gravel or 3/4 inch clean stone that's angular in shape is a recommended material. The angular shape of the stone will increase the ability to achieve the required compaction of 95% standard Proctor density. Now, depending on the compaction equipment used, lifts of 2 to 3 inches should be installed, then compacted. To ensure the final level of base material is level, a 1-inch outside diameter pipe can be used to screed the last inch of base to be compacted. You're now ready to level and install the first course of wall block. Thanks for joining us on the job site. We hope you gained some helpful insight into base installation for retaining walls.